Hi guys! Today we're going to be cutting glass, and this show is called Cutting Glass with Delani. First, you need to put safety on. Put your gloves and your glasses on.
You set it down right there because tomorrow I'm putting the way down first thing. Just have to get it on the ground.
And the reason why I picked it is because I love to cut glass with my mommy.
I'm just gonna
Or with my mom.
Look, you got it. So you can,
yeah.
you can get it back. You're good now with this dolly under it.
Next, you're going to take the score and push it down to where your glass is. Then you're going to press down and make your score. Last, you're going to pick your glass up. You can take your gloves off if you want anything easier. And hold this. Pliers. Hold the pliers, and match it up with your score to the line. Because I remember I made a score on this. Then, if you did, then you're going to check it 2 times. And that's how you make a piece of glass. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the rest. I hope you like our video.